Golden Peel-Off Mask to get glowing radiant skin. Golden Peel-Off Mask will not only helps to remove facial hair but also removes blackheads, whiteheads, clogged pores, dirt, dead skin cells and impurities from your skin. It will give you a glowing radiant skin. Clean skin is a sign of healthy skin. Peel-Off Masks removes the top layer of dead skin and the dirt and clogged pores. As you peel the mask off after it dries, it lifts off all the microparticles of dust and dirt from your skin and gives you a radiant glowing skin immediately. After you use this peel-off mask, you don't need to go to beauty salon. You can do your gold facial at home with this simple natural peel-off mask. Remove facial hairs, blackheads or whiteheads with peel-off mask. Ingredients: everyuth golden peel-off mask, 1 small pouch. Turmeric, a pinch. Rose water, few drops. Tomato juice, few drops. Method: first, add everyuth golden peel-off mask in a bowl with rose water, turmeric and tomato juice. Mix both ingredients well until combine and apply thick layer of this mask on your face and neck with clean brush. You can use any peel of mask of your choice. Leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes or until mask completely dry. When it gets dry, then remove it with hands gently. If you want to remove your black and white heads, then remove this mask from bottom to down. And if you want to remove your facial hairs, then remove it in opposite direction of your hairs. This peel-off mask will helps to remove dirt, impurities and dead cells from your skin. It will glow our skin naturally and gives your lighter, clean and radiant skin. This mask will not only remove your unwanted facial hair, black and white heads, but will also give an extra shine to your skin. If you like quick, 100% effective solutions that actually work, you should definitely try this peel-off mask for glowing radiant skin. If you have never tried this peel-off mask before, try this out and let me know your result and views in the comment box below. I'd love to hear from you. Cheers!